So guys, Mago here. So I want to run a quick breakdown of trade I got on GBPUSD. Got about two winning trades yesterday and today. So firstly, buyers first. Where is the market going? Where are we going? That is the most important thing. I have to know where we are going. So I've been bearish. Recently I've been bearish on GBPUSD from here. This is a low, it took out this high, so the first break, second break here. So I've been bearish from here. So I'm looking for sales. So head down to my 1 hour, that's where I look for my setup. So all these things happened between yesterday and today. All these moves happened between yesterday, as you can see, 25 today. Okay, this is happened today. It's 23. Okay, so it's 24, then 25 yesterday and today. Yeah. So firstly, I've got my buyers, which is very soon. I'm looking for sales. In this scenario, I'm scalping. So I'll be using 15 minutes for my setup. I'll be using 15 minutes for my setup in this one. So after all this price has run, this low took out this high here. So this low becomes the low I'm waiting for it to be taken out to our direction. So apparently let me see. We got our breakout structure here. Let's see. Wait, it's not here. Let me. So price closed below it. As you can see, this candle closed below there. You understand? So this candle is the one that closed below here. So this becomes our inducement. This becomes our inducement. Now I head down to 5 minutes to get my entry. Scalping, because I day trade and I also scalp. So for scalping I use 5 minutes for my entry. Why day trade I use 15 minutes for the entry. Scalping I use 15 minutes for my setup. So closest as yeah. So this is the closest zone. After this inducement, this is the closest point of interest here. My gap point of interest. So now we are selling it. Take this off because I've gotten what we want. So where will be our target? So I have to go back to see where price reversed from. Look at where price reversed from, because pro trend, what happens in pro trend is that once it wants to buy, it will keep on buying. If you want to say it, you just keep on. That's why buying is very important. So this was my target. As you can see. So after I got that entry, so I started looking for new setups. I will show you how I call this setup here. So after this entry here, I had this one. This next one would be our inducement. That would be the inducement. Sorry. Then we had this one here. This one here would be a new setup. So maybe I wasn't active then, so I want to flow it down to show you how I got the trade here. So this would be a new setup, then this would be the inducement. This would be okay, let me look properly. Okay. I've gotten it. So this here, this candle broke this low. This became the what? The inducement. This became the next setup. Inducement. So this became the last setup here. So let's get down to it. This became the last setup, and your breakout structure, breakouts. We got the breakout here. Or the breakout. This place would be my inducement. So I will head down to 5 minutes to get my entry. So yeah, let's get down to 5 minutes. Seems like network is bad. Okay. So as you can see, this is where my inducement is. So here would be my entry, because that is the closest gap point of interest. So there would be my entry. Here would be my TP. Where price started where price started reversing from. Always where price started reversing from. So this is where price started reversing from. So that would be my TP. It is very simple. It's just something you have to study properly, and also know that it will take losses. But the losses can never be amounted to your winning trades. It can never be amounted to your winning trades. So there, this is about 10 RR. When I did it, this 10 RR, I guess I moved my stop loss a little bit upper. Yeah. So see, these are caught this trade. So clean trade, 2 clean trades, 29 RR and 10 RR within 2 days. It's mad. So this is my recent setup now. I want to buy to sell, but that's not what we are talking about. So thanks for watching.